15 DIY of eye infection. 1. Warm compresses. What it helps: styes, blepharitis. How to do it: soak a clean washcloth in warm water, wring it out, and place it over your closed eyes for 5 to 10 minutes. This can help alleviate discomfort and open up clogged oil glands. 2. Cold compresses. What it helps: swelling and irritation from conjunctivitis. How to do it: apply a cold compress to your closed eyes to reduce swelling, itching, and discomfort. Use a clean towel and ice cubes or chilled gel packs wrapped in cloth. 3. Salt water, saline, rinse. What it helps: irritation, discharge, bacterial infections. How to do it: mix 1/4 teaspoon of salt with 1 cup of warm water. Use a clean dropper or cotton ball to gently rinse the infected eye to flush out irritants or bacteria. 4. Aloe vera gel. What it helps: irritation and inflammation. How to do it: apply a small amount of pure aloe vera gel, ensuring it is free of additives, on a cotton pad and gently wipe around the infected area, avoiding direct contact with the eye. 5. Tea bags, chamomile or black tea. What it helps: swelling, irritation, and bacterial infections. How to do it: place chilled chamomile or black tea bags over your closed eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. The tannins and antioxidants can help reduce inflammation and irritation. 6. Cucumber slices. What it helps: puffiness, redness, and irritation. How to do it: place chilled cucumber slices over your closed eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. Cucumbers have anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce swelling. 7. Honey and warm water. What it helps: antibacterial properties, conjunctivitis. How to do it: mix 1 teaspoon of honey in a cup of warm water. Use a sterile cotton ball to gently cleanse your eye with the mixture, as honey has natural antibacterial properties. 8. Breast milk. What it helps: conjunctivitis, especially in infants. How to do it: if you're breastfeeding, use a clean dropper to place a small amount of breast milk in the affected eye. Breast milk contains antibodies that may help fight infections. 9. Apple cider vinegar. What it helps: bacterial infections, irritation. How to do it: mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a cup of warm water. Soak a cotton ball and gently wipe around your eyes. Be cautious not to get it directly into your eyes. 10. Lavender oil. What it helps: soothing irritated eyes. How to do it: dilute a few drops of lavender oil with a carrier oil, like coconut or olive oil, and gently apply around your eyes to relieve irritation. Be careful not to get it in your eyes. 11. Over-the-counter artificial tears. What it helps: dry eyes, irritation. How to do it: use preservative-free artificial tear drops to lubricate your eyes and relieve dryness or irritation caused by infections or allergens. 12. Vitamin C. What it helps: boosting immune function and fighting infection. How to do it: drink a glass of fresh orange juice or take a vitamin C supplement. This can help to boost your immune system, supporting the body's ability to fight off infection. 13. Turmeric and milk. What it helps: antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. How to do it: mix a pinch of turmeric powder into a small amount of milk, and apply it with a cotton ball around your eyes. This can help soothe inflammation and fight bacteria. 14. Witch hazel. What it helps: irritation and inflammation. How to do it: apply witch hazel extract to a cotton ball and gently dab it on the affected eye area to reduce irritation and swelling. 15. Avoid touching your eyes. What it helps: prevents further infection or irritation. How to do it: wash your hands frequently and avoid rubbing or touching your eyes. This helps to prevent bacteria from spreading and reduces the risk of worsening the infection.